Every great event starts with a vision, but turning a vision into reality means handling a lot of details. Finding sponsors to choosing the right venue to welcoming attendees, it's a lot to keep track of. Fortunately, Odoo Events brings everything together in one place. With powerful, easy-to-use tools, you can plan, manage, and analyze events from start to finish, making it easier than ever to create experiences people will remember that deliver the results your business wants. When you open Odoo Events, you immediately get a complete overview of all of your events, past, present, and upcoming, in a clean, fully customizable dashboard. It's the perfect place to keep track of everything at a glance. When you create a new event, you'll see the event detail form where you can start adding all the essential information for your event, as well as a series of smart buttons for managing sponsors, booths, speaker tracks, and more. Don't worry, we'll take a closer look at those in just a moment. To get started, just enter a few basic details. Set the event's name, date, and time, add the venue location, and if you want to speed things up, you can use event templates to automatically populate fields with settings from past events. With the basics handled, you can get a little more fancy and do things like create custom tickets with different pricing tiers, set up automated email reminders for attendees as the event gets closer. Want to get data to improve future marketing drives? Ask a few pre-event questions when attendees register, like how they heard about you, what their phone number is, and if this is the first best ever sports event they've attended. There can be a lot of moving parts to keep track of when it comes to events, sponsors, booths, sessions, and more. Fortunately, that's exactly what the smart buttons on the event detail form help with. The sponsors button takes us to a dedicated page where you can manage sponsors and make sure attendees can easily discover and connect with them during the event. Selling and organizing booths is just as easy. The Booth Smart button opens a page where you can manage every booth in one convenient place. And with the Track Smart button, you can get a clear overview of all the sessions and activities planned for the event. From here, you can update stages, set priorities, schedule sessions, and even create brand new tracks. Looks like your attendees are going to have a lot to look forward to. Events don't just create great experiences, they also create valuable leads and opportunities. With Odoo Events, attendee activity can automatically generate leads for your sales team using rules that you define. Say you want to create leads based on attendees who purchased VIP tickets to the convention. You can add filters to further qualify those contacts and assign them directly to the right salesperson or team, turning event engagement into new business opportunities. Once everything is set up on the back end, inviting guests is easy. Just click the Invite button. You could use one of Odoo's ready-made email templates for a quick, polished invite, or create your own using the simple drag-and-drop editor. Staring at a blank email? Not sure where to start? Odoo AI can handle it for you. Just give it a quick idea of your event and it'll generate a polished invite in seconds, ready to send. And for something a little more direct, you can also send a quick text invitation using Odoo's SMS marketing app. With your event created and invitations on the way, let's take a look at the event website, automatically generated by Odoo and ready for your guests to explore. You can make it your own using the drag and drop website builder. It's all super flexible and easy to adjust. You can also sell tickets directly from this page using Odoo's e-commerce app, making it simple for guests to register and pay in just a few clicks. It's all connected, which makes the whole process feel a lot more seamless. Once tickets are purchased, attendees simply show up and present the badge they receive with their registration. At the entrance, event staff can scan those badges using the registration desk, turning any phone or tablet into a quick and easy check-in tool. Now that guests are inside, it's time to explore. The agenda page gives a clear, organized view of the entire schedule, everything laid out by time, sessions, and speakers. They can also browse the talks page to see all the sessions and activities available. If something catches their eye, they can save it as a favorite to keep track of it. That way, they won't miss anything that they're interested in. And once the event wraps up, the insights start rolling in. From the reporting page, you can dive into detailed analytics, tracking things like ticket sales, attendee engagement, and overall performance. Want to know which events are driving the most revenue? Just ask Odoo AI, and it'll quickly pull up reports and analytics so you don't have to. From planning and promotion to execution and analysis, Odoo Events is an end-to-end solution to make your event management run smoothly and your business thrive. Odoo Events, making events management simple.